Hey, I will play When It Comes to My Heart. Portion and carrots. Like play with them. Okay. So we just got the meeting with the lawyer. Say hi. Say hi. So we just got the meeting with the lawyers.
We got me in the loaders.
Sorry if the light looks weird. I'm on my phone still. We're about to go eat somewhere. We are in LA.
We in LA, grandfather.
My arm hurts.
You can play hard, grandfather, and shoot the gun.
Okay, sit down. This is day 5.
And this day,
Yeah, this is day 5. Stop. Say happy Vlogmas.
hi, farmers.
I was supposed to do like a makeup look for Vlogmas,
It's day,
but I didn't, so I'm gonna do one. Aiden, be quiet and sit down. Sit down. Wait till I'm done talking. Anyways, we are in the car. The lighting is bad. We're in the car. And,
Ow.
sorry lighting off. Oh well. Our face a little oily. We're about to go eat. Aiden's about to go visit his dad's side of the family. And yeah, my sister has to go to work, so I'll be waiting for her to get off work and then we'll go home. That's really it. I was watching this lady. She was switching hella hard right now. Like, so hard. Like, calm down. Have you guys had this before? It's really good. Yeah. People looking at me, so that's why I'm like, I looked up. But it's really bomb. I like the mango pineapple one. But yeah, we're about to go eat. I'll show y'all when we eat. I'm looking real basic. I have on Kylie, daddy's girl. That's so true, because I'm a daddy's girl for real. I'm not even about to frown. I'm just like real basic today. I literally wore this whole fit on Thanksgiving. I didn't take pictures, so of course it's washed, but I didn't take pictures, so yeah, of course I'll put it back on. Cause I'm like, didn't want to get dressed. I had to call off work. My hair is like super wild.
Auntie, what?
Hold on, baby.
That's for playing. Oh my goodness. Who is this place?
I don't know, baby. So I look real rough, but whatever. Yeah. I got this like weird looking guy. He just keep looking at me. He walked this way once and we made eye contact on accident, and now he came back this way and he's looking so like nervous. No, sit down and get in your seat. So I will talk to you guys later when we go eat or something. They're frying in and eat real quick.
It's hot? It's hot?
We are currently getting Bob's. I think it's called
Bob the Builder.
Bob's Burger. Bob's Burger, the show.
No, this is not Bob's Burger. It's called Bobo's.
Oh, Bobo's.
Yeah.
So yeah. You drink? And you still have this. Have you guys tasted this? So we're eating, we're watching. There's our food. Aiden's right there. Brandy gets off work at 8. We'll probably leave by about 8:39. And that's really it. Got my ranch. Banana peppers. About to eat. I will do a little mini mukbang like I did in my other ones. But I'm trying to watch TV, so.
Why you wanna play all the time? I just wanna kiss.
We in the car. There go BB. Say hi, BB. To YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
They can't even see you. I don't even know how to turn this light on.
I think I got my cough drops.
My eye.
Turn the light off.
But there go Aiden and BB. We about to go home.
Face off. I'm puzzled.
I'm baffled.
Wait, that's up. I'm puzzled.
The lightness
I'm baffled.
horrible.
You already said that. I'm puzzled.
Mhm.
Aiden,
We about to ride up this
Aiden,
hill.
this is beyond me.
That's how I felt with that traffic this morning trying to get to the lawyer's office.
You heard what he said? This is beyond.
Trying to get to the lawyer's office. That's what he do when he like, have you ever seen this? About to be a breeze. Jamil used to always say that like before we had Aiden. Cause he be like, I'm about to have a kid. It's about to be a breeze and all this bad stuff. He like that like, no, I'm big fella. Oh, you tried this one?
Yeah.
Give him some. Ow, baby, my finger. You need a wipe, Brandy? I don't. It's not really a wipe.
Here, get it.
It's not really a wipe. It's a booger wipe, but you could use it to clean your fingers off.
I clean my mouth.
That's fine. It's booger wipes. But yeah, we're about to go home, and I gotta work tomorrow. I'm tired, so I'm probably gonna end this vlog here. So happy Vlogmas Day 5, and I will see you. Oh, sorry, you guys, in the next video.